Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to withdraw your earnings in Hostinger Affiliate Program. First, log in to your Hostinger Affiliate Program account. Then go to Request Payment. Click on Request Payment. As you can see, the minimum payout is $100 for PayPal and 3 approved commissions. And for a bank transfer, it is 500 instead of $100, and also 3 approved conversions. To make sure if you meet this requirement or this requirement of $100, just go to reports, then conversion report, and for example, if it is your first withdrawal of money, you can select, for example, this year. For today is 16th of January, so this way I know, or just from this date, you can see that from 1 of January to 16th, I've made 121. This means that I can get a payout through PayPal because I have more than 3 conversions and more than $100. If I want to get a bank transfer, I still need to wait for this payout to become more than $500. This way, you can know when you are eligible for a withdrawal with Hostinger Affiliate Program. Now, when you meet the minimum requirement, you need to send them an email, I think. Yes, an email. But before that, since they have a 30-day money back guarantee, only the commissions past 30 days period are paid out. This means in my scenario, let's say that I want to get paid by PayPal at the end of January. I still need to wait another 30 days in order to get out of this money back guarantee period. This means that before the end of February, I need to request my payout. To receive your payout, you have to send your request to payments@hostingermedia.com with your exact company name provided in the affiliate dashboard, as well as your PayPal email address or bank details. Your exact company name provided in the affiliate dashboard, I think you can find it here. This is your company details, and this is your exact company name. Now that you know how to get the exact company name provided in the dashboard, you need to know that the payments are issued on the 20th of each month. This means that my earnings of January needs to be requested before the end of February, and the payment will be issued on the 20th of March. And personally, it takes 3 business days to be received in my bank account. Now, this is my email message. As you can see, dear Hostinger Media Payments team, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to request the payment of my affiliate commissions. Please find the necessary details below. The company name as provided in the affiliate dashboard is Ben's Experience. My bank details and my affiliate ID. I confirm that I meet the following conditions. Minimum payout threshold reached 500. I have more than 3 approved conversions. I understand that the payments are issued on the 20th of each month, and I have submitted this request by the end of the current month. And after that, should you require any additional information or have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Best regard. After checking your request, they can ask you for other information if needed. And after that, their response was this one: hey Ben, got it, so everything should be all right. Then you receive the payment of 560 on the 20th of September. If there are any further questions, just let me know. Have a nice day. Best regard. And this is my second payout request. Hey Lucas, I requested my payment on time, but it was sent to lucas@hostingermedia.com and not payments@hostingermedia.com. Please let me know if I will receive my payment this month. I meant January. This is the content of my previous mail. He answered with, "Hey Ben, Happy New Year. You received the payment of 730 of commissions. If there are any further questions, just let me know." This means that my request was sent on time, but it was sent not to the correct email message. Even with that, they accepted my payout request. And this is how to withdraw your earnings in Hostinger affiliate program. If you're interested with earning affiliate commissions from Hostinger or other affiliate programs, I already have an online course where I describe in details how much or how I did it. This is the information or the videos or the content of the first chapter. This is the second chapter. As you can see, I've explained everything in details and clearly. This is the fourth chapter. I have explained every detail and how to work on YouTube, how to record videos, how to make thumbnails, what type of content you need to create, and so on. And I also add a free bonuses with this course, and you can get instant access to this course if you pay just $47. Click on join now. A new window pops up and fill in your payment information. And of course, I give a 30-day money back guarantee if you are not fully satisfied. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.